Hey guys, Jazz here. I wanted to do a little demo for you guys just to explain how NFC actually works. Um, so here we have some NFC chips on the left and Marty's badge on the right. So NFC chips come in quite a few varieties and sizes, obviously, as you can see here. For my badges I'm using, these are this one right here specifically. This is the Minfair 1K. This one holds about 742 kilobytes of bytes of information. This one is the Minfair Classic, and this one only holds about 42 bytes. And here we have other kinds of NFC chips. This one here actually works on metal surfaces, so you can actually put this on, say, like a lamppost, and it would actually respond properly to the NFC signal that's being generated from your phone. And they also have like a much larger NFC badge here. I use this on Bahamut's badge, and unfortunately it looks huge. It makes kind of like imprint when you laminate it, so I will not be using this type for our for badges. So let's see here. This is Marty's badge. As you can see here, I have two chips embedded inside. This one is the Classic and the 1K, as you can see here. This one you probably want to use for shortened URLs like bit.ly or Goog URLs, and this one can hold more information, such as like a contact card, vCard, some longer URLs, some like telephone numbers, etc. So you can program this one with a little bit more stuff. So I'm going to go to my other recording device, since I have to. If I'm going to demo the phone, I can't use the phone to record. So I'll be right back. And I'm back, and here I can actually give you guys the demo. As you can see here, I have my Galaxy Nexus. This is the flagship Google device running Android 4.1 Jelly Bean. It is indeed Android. So I will actually give the demonstration as to how this all works. So let me hover my phone over Marty's badge here. As you can see, with no taking pictures or any other kind of app needed, it just launches his FA page. This is why I think NFC is so much better than QR codes, because you don't need to have an app that scans the barcode or decrypts that kind of stuff. This is just as simple as tapping your phone against something to receive content. I can also do this with this smaller badge. There's a little NFC chip that I have across here. It's a little strip, as you had seen earlier. And it read that, and it got that name I embedded into it, since I just wrote text to that small NFC chip. So I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how to read and write NFC chips, because these devices have those capabilities. So I use a little app here called NFC Task Launcher. This is a nifty little application where you can actually assign tasks and switches to these NFC chips. So say you want to set an alarm for the next day, you have one of these chips on your nightstand, you lay your phone flat against it, and it will actually automatically set the alarm. So it's kind of like neat stuff like that that's kind of novel to think about. So I'm going to write a new contact to this chip right here. Let me go to vCard, and then it will ask me, what contact do you want to use? And I'm going to eventually write the contact to the card. So let me go through the list here and find someone that would not mind that their contact information gets out. Okay, I have one for Apple here. Here's Apple. So as you can see here, it has the size of the card, or size of the data that's to be written. This is 158 bytes, and this thing can actually hold 752 or 42. So I'm going to write the contact a card, and you can see here, place tag against the back of your phone to write. I'm just going to place my phone to the tag. And it will say, tag written successfully. So now, let me go back to the home screen of my device. Once I hover over this, it'll read the contact information and automatically add this person's contact to my phone. So it's, before I had thought that it was going to be, it'll ask you to add, it just adds it. So it'll automatically be in your device once it's read. So yeah, that's just a quick demo of NFC. Hopefully that will help you guys figure out a little bit more about what it's all about. So yeah, signing off. Bye bye.